Reggae Boyz captain and goalkeeper Andre Blake was denied a move to the English Premier League due to Jamaica's FIFA ranking. According to reports, EPL clubs Brighton Hove Albion and Crystal Palace made bids for the Philadelphia Union shot-stopper, but Blake doesn't qualify for a work permit in the United Kingdom because the Reggae Boyz fall outside the top 50. That's the required ranking. Now, players who play regularly for countries ranked in the top 50 of FIFA's rankings automatically qualify for work permits to play in England. However, Theodore Whitmore's side are ranked 61st in the world and haven't been in the top 50 since 2005, where they were 42nd under then head coach Wendell Downswell. UK work permit restrictions were tightened in 2015, which forced national players such as midfielder Rudolph Austin to find clubs outside of England's top divisions. Blake, who is one of the top goalkeepers in the MLS, had an impressive campaign in the CONCACAF Gold Cup, where he was named goalkeeper of the tournament. Blake's Reggae Boyz teammate, Kemar Lawrence, who is the starting left-back for the New York Red Bulls, was also linked to moves in the English Premier League and the Championship.